Here at Jubilee Construction Services, we know asphalt. As one of Mobile's premier asphalt contractors, we offer a diverse range of asphalt services, including paving, seal coating, repairs, and parking lot striping for both commercial and residential properties. From sprawling parking lots to sleek athletic courts, home driveways to private roads, we don't leave until our customers are 100% satisfied. At Jubilee, customer service is our specialty. That's why we always offer a free quote, whether by phone or requested through our website, and continue our dedication from quote to finished product to comprehensive long-term maintenance. Our bottom line is your satisfaction. Our foundation is your foundation. And with Jubilee Construction, that foundation is paved to last.